Have you ever heard about wellness shots? Recently on our channel, we posted a recipe of a shot to improve your immunity, and today it won't be different. Wellness shots are small doses, nutritious and concentrated, made of superfoods and that are consumed throughout the day. If you want to improve your defense system, this video was made for you. In today's video, you will learn how to make an immunity shot to improve your health with only 2 ingredients. You certainly have heard about turmeric, right? If you still don't know its benefits, watch the suggested video on our channel to learn more about this powerful root. Did you know that turmeric is an amazing anti-inflammatory? There are many papers and scientific studies comparing turmeric to anti-inflammatories sold in drugstores, showing its therapeutic powers to treat pains, arthritis, arthrosis, etc. Besides turmeric, lemon is also used in this immunity shot. Some of the benefits of lemon include: improves digestion, increases immunity, has anti-inflammatory properties. That's very interesting, isn't it? Now that you know the benefits of the ingredients, watch the video to learn the recipe. The practicality of preparing it is one of the positive points to add this shot to your daily routine. Try it and share your experience with us. If you ever tried any wellness shot, share your recipe and what you think about it.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.